Hey guys, wanna know how to add chroma key or remove green screen in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, open up your Filmora and import your green screen media and your background image or video. Now just import or drag and drop both of them into the timeline. Make sure the green screen video is on top of the background video, just like this shown right here. Now, in order to apply green screen, just simply make sure you are on video, and then if you are on basics, select AI tools right here. And there should be chroma key given in the first option. Now just simply enable chroma key, and there you have it. Your chroma key has been enabled, and you can also adjust its tolerance, offset, and so much more. The choice is yours, and once you're done, just simply select export and export your video to wherever you like. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.